Hello learners, welcome to 3LOKBABA YouTube channel. My name is Trilok. In this particular video, we are going to learn how to work with sheets in MS Excel. Those are how to insert a new sheet and how to rename it and how to delete the sheet and how to apply a color for the tabs. And next one is how to move or copy a sheet from one workbook to another workbook and how to protect and unprotect sheet. And last one is how to hide and unhide sheets. So these are the concepts which we are going to learn in MS Excel. This is the basic requirement for the people, those who are going to learn MS Excel. So let's not waste the time. Let's go to the Excel and see how we are going to apply all these options. Let's learn how to use this option in dealing with sheets. The first option we have, insert a new sheet in MS Excel. So how to insert? It is pretty easy. The first step is, so you can see the plus symbol over here. Just click on this plus symbol to get a new sheet. So this is how we have to insert a new sheet. So we have one more option, which is a shortcut key. You can use a shortcut key to insert a new sheet. The shortcut key is Shift F11. Hold the shift and then press F11. You can get the new worksheet. So this is how we have to insert a new sheet in MS Excel. We have two options. One, you can use this plus symbol, and second option, you can use the shortcut key. Now we will learn how to rename these sheets. So renaming sheets is pretty easy. So what you can do is just click over here and then double click. Then you can rename it. For example, I would like to rename it as an HR. So we have one more option where you can right click on this particular tab and then you can choose a rename option as marketing. So we can use this option, like I would like to rename it as an A. Click on this rename button and let's rename it as an A finance, and then rename it as an A production. So now we are done with renaming sheets. Now I would like to delete couple of sheets from this Excel. So how to use this? So the steps are very simple. Right click on the sheet and then click on delete option. Now we can use this option. Right click here and then delete. So this is how we have to delete the sheets in workbook. So we are done with how to insert and how to rename and how to delete the sheets. And next option, we are going to learn how to apply a color for the tabs. So we can see here HR, marketing and finance, which is looking empty. Now I would like to apply some color to these tabs. Right click over here and there is an option called tab color and then choose your different color. So now I would like to choose for marketing a different color, tab color, and then finance in a different color, which is green. So this is how we have to apply a color for the tabs. Now we will learn, which is very important thing, how to move a sheet from one workbook to another workbook. Now let's see here. I would like to move the marketing sheet from this workbook to another workbook. Right click on it and then there is an option move or copy. Click on move or copy and then in this box choose a new book and then mark create a copy, then click OK. So what is going to happen is marketing sheet is moving from this workbook to new workbook and click OK. Now you can see that the book has been moved from one sheet to another workbook. So this is how we will be moving the sheets from one workbook to another workbook. And next option we are going to learn is hide. How to hide the sheets. The steps are very simple. Right click on it. There is an option called hide. Just click on hide. And then same, click on hide. So this is how we have to hide the sheets. Now I would like to unhide those sheets. So how to unhide those sheets? Right click here. There is an option called unhide. You get a window here. Choose your particular sheet and then click OK. Same steps, unhide, choose the particular sheet and click OK. So this is how we have to hide and unhide the sheets. And the last option, which is very important option, if you want to protect the particular sheet, so how we are going to protect? We are going to provide a password. We are going to protect your sheet with the password. So how we are going to do that? The steps are very simple. I want to protect the finance sheet. Right click on it. There is option called protect sheet. As soon as you click on protect sheet, you get a window. In this first box, type your password. I would like to type my password as 123 and then click OK. You get a one more window here to re-enter the same password, 123. Then click OK. Now let's try to edit this finance sheet. See, now I can't edit this time. So I can't edit anything, I can't do anything over here, I can't enter any data over here because this sheet has been protected. Now I want to unprotect this sheet. So how to do that one? The steps are very simple. Right click, unprotect sheet and type the password which you have given earlier, 123, enter. Now see, now I can edit this sheet. So this is how we have to protect and unprotect the sheets. Let's recall what are the things we have learned in dealing with sheets. The first one is inserting a sheet. Inserting a sheet, we have is two options. One is a plus symbol, or else you can use a shift plus F11 key to insert a new sheet. And rename a sheet, very simple. Double click on a particular sheet and then you can rename it as per your convenience, or else you can right click on it and rename option is available. And next one is deleting a sheet, which is beautiful option. Right click here, there is option called delete. And next thing is we have learned how to apply a color for the tabs. Right click, tab color and choose your own color, and then you can apply your own color over here. The next one we learned about copy and move a different workbook. So how we are going to move the particular sheets from one workbook to another workbook? Right click, move or copy, choose a new workbook, new book, and then create a copy and click OK. So you can move it. Next one we have learned about hide and unhide. There are option hide and unhide, you can perform it. And last option we have learned about it, protect and unprotect sheet. Very simple. Right click, protect sheet, type your password twice and then click OK. Then you can protect your password and save as. And then if you want to unprotect, same option, right click, unprotect sheet, and then you can unprotect your sheet with the given password. So this is how we have to deal with the sheets in MS Excel. Insert, rename, delete, tab color, how to copy and move from one workbook to another workbook, and how to protect and unprotect sheet, and how to hide and unhide sheets. I trust you have enjoyed this video. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification on latest videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, Trilok Baba. We will meet in next video.